In this tutorial, I will guide you how to download and install Meadow. Now ensure that you follow these instructions very carefully. Now Meadow software allows you to easily record and share game clips. Now if you want to download this software, you can go to meadow.tv. I'll put the link on the description of this video. Also this page here, select download Meadow. Meadow is available for Windows, iOS and Android. So I'm using Windows, so select here download Meadow. And the software will start downloading. Now wait for the software to finish download. Now once the download finishes, just go to your downloads. So I'm going to my downloads section. And then just double click to install the Meadow setup. It's preparing to install. So wait for it to download Electron updates. Just wait for the download to finish. Once it finishes, it will open into the welcome screen. Now you can either continue with Discord or continue with email. So you can choose what you'd like. So I can just continue with Discord, or if you already have an account, just log in here. So I can just select continue with Discord and it will connect to Discord. So wait for the connection to finish and it will authorize the connection. So scroll down and authorize the connection between Meadow and Discord. Now create an account. You can input your username, your birthday, and then agree to Meadow's terms of service and privacy policy, and then click continue. And that will say here, get the Meadow mobile app. If you don't care about the mobile app, we can simply just close, just like me. I'm going to close this. And that will take you into the home page here. So that's how you can download and install Meadow software for PC. It's very easy. Make sure to follow the instructions very carefully and let me know in the comment section if this helped you. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.